Hi everyone, I'm Hannah with Aluminess. Today I would like to show you how easy it is to mount a paddleboard to our surf hooks and how easy it is to use the Kanulock straps to tie them down. Our surf hooks are designed to mount to our surf pole and ladder. The most popular setup is mounting one hook to a pole and one hook to a ladder. A set of hooks can accommodate one board, or you can get two pairs of hooks to accommodate two boards. As you can see, the hooks are super easy to swivel in and out of the way when you're not using them. This is one of the Kanulock straps. They're super easy to use. They are made with the stainless steel cord, so you don't have to worry about someone cutting the strap and stealing your board. And they also come with a lock and key. As you can see, they're super straightforward to use, and if I move this board, it stays in place, so you don't have to worry about your boards falling off on the freeway or the highway. They're not going anywhere with these Kanulock straps. Please go to aluminess.com to purchase these items. You can also email us at info@aluminess.com if you have any questions, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future product updates. Thanks, and I hope you're having a great day.